Good morning or good afternoon, everyone. My name is Michelle, and today I'll be presenting with Mutia, Ahmad, and Adit about our two experiments. I hope they enjoy, and my teammates will be further explaining later. Thank you.
The point of the beans project is to understand how roots sprout from inside the beans without harming the plant in any way, shape, or form. It is also a way to understand or simulate the process of roots sprouting with items found inside the house.
So for this experiment, we will need some absorbent tissues, beans, and for the one we're using, it's green beans, water, and a tall glass jar. Put a roll of tissue inside the container. Place the beans in the sides of it where it's stuck between the tissue and the container. Then pour some water in it and let the tissue soak it in.
As we can see from the drawing experiment, there is a major difference. It seems as if the beans have grown roots, which is extraordinary. Well, this happens because we have provided them with enough sunlight since we placed it in a warm place and water, even if it's only from a tissue.
The point of the Celery project is to understand how water travels through a plant. Knowing this will help us understand how plants use their water and the resources around them, because understanding something will give us more knowledge about specific things that matter. The dye simulates water, and it makes it easier to see the water because of the coloring that is contrasted in the water. So it's an easy way to understand how plants take in and out water from the plant.
You will need a celery stem, a transparent container, any colored dye, but in here I used orange dye, water, and finally something to stir the water and food coloring in. To start the experiment, take a transparent container and pour water into it. Be careful not to spill it like I did. Then take the food coloring you have and put some drops into the water until you feel that it is enough. Stir the water and food coloring together. Then finally, take a celery stem and put it inside the glass. Find a place where you can safely put the plant in and make sure that the plant stands upright.
The result from the experiment is that the celery leaves turn orange and the stem becomes orange too. You could see the veins of the leaves are deep colored orange, which is quite amazing. You might be wondering, why did it turn orange? Well, it's because of the food dye in the water. This happened as the celery absorbs the water from the cup.
That is all for our video. We hope you enjoyed watching it. Thank you.